To factory reset your Roborock S8 Plus, first of all, let me tell you there's two options to reset your robot. The first one is in the app. So if you open the app, click on the three dots right here in the top right corner of the screen and then go down until you find delete device. After clicking on it, you'll be able to confirm it right here with OK, which should begin factory reset of your robot. Just make sure that it's powered on and connected with the phone that you're gonna reset it with. The other way to do it is through the button. So let's grab our robot like this. Then you can open a hatch with Roborock logo. So just lift it up and then there's a reset right here. You will need to grab something that is thin enough that you can press on this button. So I'm just gonna use something like this, and then you can click and hold this button for a few seconds, around 10 seconds, to factory reset your robot as well. And lastly, you can also reset only network options for your robot if you have trouble connecting it with the app. So just grab it like that, and as it says during the setup, just click on this button and this button at the same time and wait until it says that the network settings have been reset. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.